All right, the first thing we're going to do is to reset up our development environment to make sure we're using the latest version of React. So open up your browser and head over to nodejs.org to download the latest version of Node. On my machine, I'm using Node version 12.14. Going forward, React no longer supports the global installation of the Create React App package, so you need to uninstall it and then bring it using a tool called npx. So first, let's uninstall the global installation of the Create React App. So we type sudo, that is if you're on a Mac, npm uninstall -g create react app. All right. Now we're going to bring this using a tool called npx. So npx is a new tool that came with Node version 5.2, and it's basically a Node package runner. So with npx, we can download and run the latest version of a package. For example, we can download the latest version of Create React App and run it right here. So we can create a new app called React-Advanced, all using one command. So previously, we had to use npm to install the latest version of this package once in a while, and then run it separately to create a new app. With npx, we can do all of this using a single command. And this package will no longer be stored globally. So we're not going to pollute the global space, okay? So let's go ahead with this. This is going to take a little while, so I'm going to pause the recording. All right, now I have a new React app using the latest version of React. If you encountered any errors during this process, that means there's something wrong with your machine or your configuration. Unfortunately, that's not something I can help you with. You need to do your own research. So simply copy paste the error message you get in Google, and I promise there are other people who have encountered the same problem. You can also post your question or the error you get on forum.codewithmosh.com. The only thing I'm going to add here is for Mac users, chances are you may get an error about Xcode. If that's the case, simply type xcode-select-install. That's probably going to solve your problem, but I'm not going to promise that. Again, you need to do your own research, okay? All right, now let's go to this new folder, React Advanced, and run npm start. So this is telling me that I already have another application running on port 3000, and it's asking if you want to run this new app on a different port. Let's select yes. All right, so here on port 3001, I'm going to have a new React app. There you go. So we're going to use this app throughout this section. We're not going to build a real functional application with fancy features because we already covered that during the past 12 hours. So in this section, we're only going to talk about the latest React features that you need to understand to build new applications.